What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is another series. Is I'm gonna have a what's sold on eBay and Mercari. So not much going on Mercari. Not much going has been sold. So probably 2 or 4, but mostly had it on eBay. That is the most that I had sold today. So let's go check them out. So now we have 14 items to be shipped. These are from eBay only, and most of them are good ones like the shoes. So starting off, we got the Nike Air Vapor Max 2019. That's a women's size. Also the Nike Tiger Woods golf shoes, Venesi slides, another slide, a Jordan slide, and a Nike Air Zoom Accurate shorts, Jordan shorts, expandable waist pack, polo wrap roll-in, another waist pack, another slide from Jordans, and Nike Women's Breed, ISPA, Vantage football cleats, another waist pack, and another golf shoe with a lunar control, and also Nike Air Flare Max. So let's go check them out. Looking for the Nike Air Flare Max. It should be right here. I'm looking for 10.5. There we go. That's the 59.97 of the Nike Air Flare Max. Okay. Next one, we are looking for some golf shoes, and it's right here. Lunar Control, Lunar Lun golf shoes. Got them for $39.99. I'm also looking for the Vapor Max 2019. It's on women's size. It's right here. And what was the size? It's size 8.5. Should be the other one. That's size 8. And this should be the size 8.5, and comparable value is 143. Pick them up for $60. Next one, I'm gonna be looking for the Nike Tiger Woods. That is size 10.5. Right here. Should be right here. There you go. This one is 11.5. It should be the other one. Oopsie. Messed it up. Okay. And this is the one. There we go. What else? Also looking for the Nike Air Max 270 ISPA. Should be right here. Oopsie. Okay, there we go. And this one got me for $64.99. And that's the other pair. Alright. Okay. So got more stuff to pick up. Let's go look for the Jordan slide, which is Jordan Hydro 6 sandal slide, black and gold, right here. Size 11. Yeah, most of it is size 11 though. So I had 2 order of size 11. So I'll pick up 2 of this. There we go. Another one. Next one to pick up. Acceptable. It is the size 12.5. It should be back here. And here. Okay. be hard to take them. Alright. Okay. Well, alright. So next one. There you go. The Nike Vapor Untouchable. Next one, I have to go get Arizona size 10.5. Should go back here. We got 10 right there, 10.5. Alright, oopsie. Okay. There we go. And I got the Nike Arizona 10.5. There you go. So next one, I have to look for the Nike 3M Slim Expandable running waist bag. Okay, it should be here. So, and I had 3 order on this one. 1, 2, and 3. And how much did I pay on this one? $4.97. There you go. And then additional. Next one, I'm gonna get the Jordan basketball short, size medium. It should be here. There we go. Medium. I mean small. Another small. There we go. Medium. And a nice red and black Jordan shirt. Got them for $12.97 with the additional 30% off discount. Not much of a profit. Probably just got my money back or a little bit, but had a good store. So next one, I'm going for the polo vest. It should be here. There we go. It should be XL. There is the medium. And this is the XL. So I got the polo tech vest, and look at the retail on this one, $198. Pick them up for $49. Now I'm gonna look for the training project type short, and looking for a large and small. There you go. And this one is $9.97. So the next one, I'm gonna look for the socks. 2 pair of stance socks. LA Clippers of socks. Stance with Griffin. And the other one is Chris Paul. Yep. And this basically bought them for $2. Okay, so this is the Nike Training Pro Project X short. Bought them for $9.97, I believe, with additional discount of 30%, and sold them for $37 plus shipping on MERCARI. And this one also sold on MERCARI. I got a 2 pair of Stance NBA Future Legend socks from Griffin and Chris Paul. So both of this, bought them each $1.99 each, and the retail of each is $18, and I sold them $11 plus shipping. Okay, let's keep on going. And so as you can see right here, we got the polo vest, Polo Ralph Lauren full zip vest, extra large. And as you can see, the retail is $198. And bought them for $49, and I sold them for $100. So next one, we go get the 3M Slim Expandable Running Waist Pack Belt, and this one size fit all. This one picked them up for $497 with additional 30%, and sold them for $14.03 a piece. So that one is not bad already for a nice belt. Next one, this pair is not pick up from Nike store, but I got them on a Burlington. As you can see, they had a comparable value of $150. Picked them up for $24.97. How much did I sold them for? I sold them for $59.99 plus shipping. So that is a really quick flip. What do you think on this one? A nice golf shoes, right, from Tiger Woods. So I did quick flip on this one because a lot of people or resellers needing to move it fast. Well, another good one here. This one is a nice profit. Another one from Burlington. As you can see, I bought them $39.99 with tax. Comparable value is $131. I bought them for $40 and sold them for $117. Look at that bottom like that. Nice quality of a golf shoes, huh? And my profit is more than twice a profit of my money. It's like 3 times the money. So $170. So what they have. So next one we have something from Ross. Starting off with this women's Vapor Max 2019, I believe. And nice color of white, touch color of pink and sail white or dirty white. Check out the price on this one, $59.99. Comparable value is $143. I don't think so. Usually Vapor Max goes to $190, and the quality on this one is not bad also. I sold them for $94.05 plus shipping. I mean, I paid for the shipping. Also $60. And I did also a quick flip because I knew that also a lot of people got this one, so I had to go move it fast. Another one from Ross, we got the Nike Air Max 270 SP ISPA, and look at the price is $64.99, and there's no comparable value, but I sold them for $119, and buyer pays the shipping for $11.55. So not bad for the price. It's like somewhat almost 30%, somewhere right there. But also same goes with this one, because a lot of resellers pick them up, you have to quick flip it. Okay, looking into one of the worst buy that I did, the Nike Air Max Flare, which is bought them for $59.97 with additional 30, but I did sold them not much, but I got sold them for $85.64. Not bad at all. Anyway, so what do you think on that one? Well, if you've seen one of the videos that my worst as a reason, check them out. This one. Alright, we're almost done. So we got a 2 orders of the Jordan Hydro 6. Pick them up for $24.99 with the additional discount. Oh, there we go. Nice, good looking and very comfortable slide. I got me one of this, and the good thing is I sold them for $45. The other one sold for $40. So doubling my money, right? Okay. Next one, we got the Jordan Nike Rise Solid Basketball Short men's medium, and pick them up $12.97 with additional 30%. But I did sold them for $14, and then I also had to pay the shipping. Probably I just got my money back on this one, not too much a profit, but I took the risk because here's what I learned also in the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. If the manager or who's working there, like supervisor, is trying to be friendly with you as a reseller, and that's what I also doing, just be friendly all of the employee, manager, supervisor, anyone in there. So he offered me, you know that there is a limit, right? And he asked me if I could buy multiple, if I wanted to buy more than 10. The manager asked you to do a deal with those, so I grabbed the opportunity because we are doing both a favor. I'm trying to get rid, they're trying to get rid of their stuff, and I'm trying to buy more and trying to be friendly with them, so in the near future they could help me out, that if there's a good one to buy, they could help me out also. So that is a good deal for me, even though not too much a profit. Gain friends from inside the Nike factory store. So we're almost done, and we got another golf shoe, Nike Air Zoom Accurate golf shoe, and the retail on this one is 90. I sold them for 54, 44, and I purchased this one. I picked them up very cheap, somewhere $20, I believe so. And it's not the high quality golf shoes, but it's good. It's kind of simple, white and black with the Zoom Air technology, but not bad. For this one, $54.99. I pay also the shipping, and this one is the most profitable of them all today. And as you can see, it's just a simple cleats on football, right? It's an Oreo colorway, black and white, and offline it. But check out how much did I pay them for. I got this on Ross, as you can see, got them for $18 only. So I take also the risk on this one because this one is 12 and a half, but I know football cleats especially are big for big people, so I took the risk, 12 and a half, and waited out. Like this one, I waited out for about a year or so, but the profit of 162, wow, it's worth it, worth the time that I had to wait out for this one to sell out. 18 bucks of how much did I get them, and then 162 for resale. That is doubling, tripling, 4 times my money. Okay, so sometimes you have to wait out for a good buyer. So today, thank you for your stimulus fund. Here we go. As you can see, these are being sold on eBay. This one are gonna be shipped out on USPS, and some of it right here are shipped out through FedEx, because sometimes shipping are having some kind of difference. Sometimes it's much more cheaper on FedEx other than USPS, so vice versa. But anyway, I hope you like this video. But anyway, please leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.